In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your Roblox password if you forgot it while you're playing on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But essentially, in order to do this, you are going to have to use an external device, like, for example, a PC or your phone or an iPad or really just anything else. But just go ahead and open up a web browser like Google Chrome on that device and go to the official Roblox website by going to roblox.com. This is going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and choose this forgot password or username option right here and enter in the email address, phone number, or username for your device. And Roblox is going to send a 6-digit verification code to that. From here, just enter in that code on that website, hit create new password, and then hit update password. And then from here, you can go back onto your PS5 and log in with that new username and password. It really is as simple as that. Unfortunately, there's no way to do this directly through your PS5. But if you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if at any point throughout this guide you did find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more PS5 content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.